Because you are only subtracting 1 from I, you can use decrement operator. So we could actually do this or do this, because there are two types of decrementation. This one is called pre-decrementation. For example, we have, again, let's I have the value of 5 and the operation takes place here. So what this does is that it calculates first, so it decrements 4 first, then it prints 4. That is the decrementation. However, for the post this is for the pre-decrementation. However, for the post decrementation, what this does is that it prints 5 first, then do its calculation. So it would be 4. Was I correct? I don't know. But since there are two types, you could either do the post or the decrement, or do the pre-decrementation. Whoa, I stuttered. Anyways, nice.